Bella. Mag-ano ako na alam niyo itong pagkain na ito, yung sabunganay sa Ilocano, bulaklak ng saging. So sa aming mga Ilocano, inuulam namin ito, sinasawag namin sa dinengdeng, or pwede namin lutuin ng adobo, pero mas gusto ko ang dinengdeng.
It's my clay.
Yes, kaya magdinengdeng po tayo. Yan oh.
I love luto-lutoan.
Tanggalin lang ito guys oh.
What's that? Candy. Candy. What do
Ayan,
you want?
Tanggalin yung matigas.
Mommy said I should wait.
Wait, Mama Lanod, somebody is in the ubo. Wait, I will pakainin ko muna yung manok. Yan na siya oh. Maya ituloy ko kasi hindi ko pa pinakain. Ang walis si Belle. Naglilinis sa kusina ni Ina. Kuha ako ng pagkain ng manok. Yan, itong dinengdeng na rabong. Ay, dinengdeng na sabunganay ng wait. Sa bulaklak ng sayang at saluyot. At ibrag ko daw si Kulit. Oh, kakain siya ng ano, na yan, binunak. Ay, binlek. Ha, sarap Bella. Ayan.
Yummy.
Ako'y pagod na.
Mommy,
Naglaba. Lamis ako. Pagod ako Bella to. Naglabas ko na kami.
Call ko na, okay?
Where is ate?
Sorry.
Call her tayo.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Saying mo ba that chance?
Mami, brag ka. Mami, kaya mo i-brag ka?
No, ano Bella? Pagod sila. Mesan di papa mo tuloy?
Hi! Aji, likod naman. Kaya ka na mapanagdanjay, mama.
Press ko rin.
Mama, pay, luwati ko kutsara.
Bring for me cup also.
Oh, no, not mine.
Come. Merienda ulit guys. Ayan, merienda po. Potato, luto ni Lola. Sarap. Like it. Eat, Mama. Lola, they like it. Laging may merienda na niluluto ni Lola. Yeah. Nice.
Is it good to eat this much sugar? It's not.
Not much. You're not eating. You're not eating much sugar. Lola, they like it. Thank you.
Thank you, Lola. Thank you, Lola. Lola's probably not here.
You must shout, Lola, thank you.
Thank you, Lola.
Welcome. She's far. Welcome. Sabi ko.
not really big.
Yummy. Of course, Lola make for you.
Taste.
Kanyo.
Taste.
Ito mo.
Wait, Mary texted me. Wait.
Okay.
Are they back boyfriends and girlfriends with Justin? No. Can you turn off, Shreya?
Okay. Ayan, oh.
Yesterday,
Hello! Punta po kami mag-birthday.
Bade ba?
Sa anak ng pinsan ko. Ayan. Mag-birthday po tayo. Kia nandun. Hi, Kia!
Paawis ba ito sa
Pangis to. Let's go!
with God first and never give up.
Yes. Nikian ay tanang ko.
Nalapat ti bagbagay na.
Wow, nakututong nga na tayag.
Oh, medyo kulong na nga dara ka titigagan.
Ay, pinukisa kidang ko.
Why are you messing my hair?
Ah, sorry. Lola, sister of Inang.
This is me.
Karuro pa na.
Permit
Oy.
Papang na niya.
Hindi kami permit pa natin ko ide.
Ah.
Yung may itopin. So,
Tatalagal ba kita?
well,
Aya?
ayan, Facebook also.
Ah.
This is me.
Antayan, agmerienda.
Who is me?
Meya, ha? Oh, atis, andito na kami. Happy birthday! Tapos na ata ang birthday, anak. First time ni Kian naki-birthday dito sa Philippines.
Time in birthday.
Yeah, first time. First time ni Cheyenne. Napaka... Oh, ang dami nilang bougainvillea, Bel. Oh. Ganda ng bahay niya. Ay, yung santan ang itanim natin, Bel. Gigid niya. Kung garo, nagpintas. Ay, so natin nalang agmula iti niya, nagpintas. Ay, dahil na tibagbag nga marigold, Bel. Yellow. Dapat ka imurumur mo dyan eh, pariyan eh, oh. Alak man, dahil tayo mulak to jay. Pangkutipay lang. Tayo, tayo makipangan. May kami makipangan, apo.
Hello, tita. Hello, kuya, ate.
Asi nag-birthday.
How are you?
Ay, nalpasan.
Ah?
Mangrugipay lang. Okay. May kami maki-birthday. Wala, nagpintas tibay ka nanti ni masetas na dati. Nakman nagmamasetas ni nag-cute. Na, pintas kalata ni Mayora.
Bla-bla kaya?
Makita to ni Anje.
Nagawin din, nakurapay mo ta?
Nagkurapay ka no.
Batak ng karap mo nga, mabalik mo.
Paiso. Happy birthday, Mia. Nakantanon? Ay, uray na kami.
Apa ni Maxine hanya birthday ay?
Oh, namumulaklak. Ganda nito, oh. Nag-ground siya. I like this one. Ganda, no? Ni, sayang ate ni. Yan. Mahilig din si auntie ng tanim niya. Oh, dami niyang tanim dito na bougainvillea. Ito ang ganda, oh. One aja yellow, one aja yun. Nagpintas ni. May taaja pang igid.
Sa balik o dapat di double?
Double nga everyday. Marigold. Kas, jay ko mo ajak sabsabo. Nansay dati pariyan ni, oh. Apay di daalaan ni, sayang. Niya daros ni ante. Niya daros na. Ipadagana ko man ni nagpitas. Pink. Pitas na. Ni dayta ni napintas. Han ambo ni kiyan i-video ko. Yeah, make it. I will show to daddy.
No.
Yalla, try it.
Tamad.
Try it, mommy.
You think I can keep my balance?
Yes, you can do it. Yalla. Yalla, make here. Try it. Yalla, balance it.
How
Balance.
can I
Yalla,
keep my 2 feet on the pedals?
yalla, try. Look, he's small boy. He can do it. Look, look. You see? Very good.
Because he has a bigger bike.
Yeah.
I can
Yalla, try it, mama. How daddy buy you?
Is this your holiday? Yeah.
Oh, look, oh. Kin come in.
And then what, Tate? Do I have to like... just walk as if you're... If you feel like you're falling, immediately put your
Yalla,
feet
yalla.
down.
Put and then
I can't go the 5
I show you how.
Mano. Yalla. Okay, put yalla, okay?
I cannot get
Can you help her? It's okay.
Can you?
that's the thing. It's small. I need a big one.
What's that?
My AirPods.
Ah, okay.
I cannot keep my balance. I need to put my 2 feet on the pedal.
Yalla, yalla, yalla.
Remember when I
Yalla.
was young?
Like this.
Oh,
Look, oh.
cannot.
Single. You know how to ride motor, Kamen? Small motor.
I know how to ride a bike with 3 wheels.
Yalla.
Go.
Balance.
But you did.
Sorry. I need to, how can I know if I'm balancing or not, Janet?
Why is the seat so high?
How old are you when you knew how to use a bike?
His age.
I know that necklace. Why?
Don't.
Why do you use that? Your mom knew what it is. I know the meaning.
I ordered it.
When?
2 weeks ago. And then I started wearing it. I always wanted one, so I got one.
Okay. I always wanted that when I was a kid because I don't know what to do with it. But now I know. That's the thing. I need a bigger bike.
You need to balance your
How you need a bigger bike? You don't even know how. I show you.
I'm the worst balancer.
Lebron. Look how she ride bicycle, Kian.
I'm actually riding bicycle.
Lahat ito anak ng pinsan ko. Ayan. Yalla, you can do it, ma'am. Yalla. Yalla, mami. Pag sidecar, alam niya yung bisikleta ng nanang. Pero pag ito na, hindi na
Don't
niya
remove
kaya.
your feet from the head.
Like this. Like this,
The
mama.
head is not good, it seems.
It wasn't pedaling for a second.
Ah, you try it.
Not good.
La, why he is using while ago, Prince?
No, but Janet, I did it.
That happened to me in the bike of Lodo.
Yalla. Okay. You see, you can do it. I take. Ang galing ni Maxine, oh.
Sana, Marsan.
Nagluto tayo, Pai.
Paminsan pa.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mia.
Isa pa.
Happy birthday, Mia. Happy birthday, Mia. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mia.
Ay, thank you, Lord.
Happy birthday, Mia.
Sakit kang ko.
Happy birthday.
Mia. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mia.
Isa pa.
Yay!
Mia.
Wow!
Birthday, Mia.
Regalo ni Mama na.
Happy birthday.
Wow!
Mia.
At syempre,
Oh, nagkita regalo ka
Ah.
dito.
Basahin ni Mia.
Nagtigil ka.
Basahin ni Mia.
welcome!
Di cake na. Blow.
Blow na the cake. Blow, blow, blow.
Wait lang, awan sila ito.
Candle. Ayun, we did not have the gift.
Paul, ni mama mo niya. Wish mo. Lalay na kagbasa ako na.
Lalay na kagbasa, healthy na ako na.
Oh.
Tulong ka?
Lagay sa kasan niya. Ako mo lang te, sound side tala. Damon speaker tayo ka. Ako mo lang sound side. Damon. Damon to.
Pila din yung kakiyawat niyo. Ito ako. Oh.
Karmato.
Sarap. Pansit.
Bella, did you stay here?
Yung may sabisi.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Yan.
Happy birthday, ate ko na.
Happy birthday. Bella. Happy birthday ko naman na. May katin, may katin. Happy birthday.
Birthday, ate. Ako naman.
Happy birthday, ate.
Kita nyo lagi to.
Yan, bubot.
Tuwa kayo. Bakit tatlo? Friends.
Agkawili talaga ato. Very good. Pasana vlog, Ben. Pasana vlog. Ha? No, here. Bain kayo na eh. Sak man laga rito. This is spaghetti. Yeah. You don't want this one, pancit? Oh. Oh, yeah, mangantay na. Yeah, lapit. Ha?
Saka lang kan.
Kian? Hindi Kian, ha? You want this? This one? Or spaghetti? This one?
Spaghetti.
Tinggan. Kutsara ba?
Yes. You want Shanghai? Batam kayo?
Spaghetti or ano?
Oh, very nice.
Ang rebe, tayo ko pa eh.
Ha?
Mga rebe tayo ko. Ado-adin ka sa
Ano aja ka de?
kari,
Kari.
alaga sa baka. Pag rabi ko mga rod.
May natitay may nagbasa ka na. Ang amang paragot-basa niya.
Iki yan.
Baka nagano. Mommy, you want this one? The spring roll? Cheyenne, you want more? You want more? Spring roll. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Rihab, you put out. Nagpapahid na mo. Rihab,
Kasi hindi siya.
1, 2, 3. Isend ko to kay Kabingga. Hindi ba batit kayo ka eh? When you were small, you are friends. You play together. Managbabainda mo. Bella. Kalaro si Kian You're having fun? With your cousin? Yes, it's your cousins.
Kita niya ta. GoPro.
Say hi to mamang mo na. Nanonood siya.
Camera.
Picture, wait.
4, 5. Michael! 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 Follow! Michael!
Where are you going, Kian?
Where you going?
Nag-aayam dagarod. Ala kayo. No.
I cannot spin my body.
Be careful, Kian, eh? Nagluluto si Beltot. Nagluluto si Beltot ng fried rice ulit. Pero walang gutom Beltot. Oh, pinakbat. Puro busog. Busog ang lahat. Dito sa Pilipinas, sobra. Nakakahilo yung init. Ah? Gansan pa ba? Ano sabi niya? Okay. Apa yung hinalas mo, Belto? Ay, Bella Potpot. Yan si Bella Potpot, oh. Kanta ng kanta. O, ubo na siya. Papawisan na siya. Say hello na, oh. Mag-brag ka na. Sabi mo, i-brag kita. Ayan. What will you say to them? Tell something about your fans. They like you. They said you're so cute and fun and funny. Say thank you. Thank you, everyone. Sabihin mo na thank you. Thank you. Eh, yan na siya. Ayan si Bella. Ah, sarap. Oh. Pinakbet. Ada duty ni Jong ngayon? Di ba nga nag-duty di Kalman? Every other day. Ay, every... tamang gani, RJ yun. RJ. Haan ma nagka, agluto kami ni Bella Put. Ni Bella Put. Baba na. Okay, balik mo yung upuan. Balik, return. Good girl, Bella. Good girl.